With everything you need to do in a day, maintaining an operational printer fleet should be easy. Uniquely designed using minimum internal mechanical parts and an all-metallic frame structure, the PD45 makes maintenance a simple task. Because of its highly ergonomic design, the PD45 is easy to maintain. Here's how. It's best to clean the printhead and sensor after every roll of labels. This can be done with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol, but Honeywell cleaning supplies, such as a cleaning card, make it a snap. To begin, turn the machine off and remove media. Lift up the printhead along with the front sensor and remove the ribbon. Gently move the media retainers out of the way. Next, with a damp cotton swab, clean along the green burn line. Wait for the cleaning fluid to dissolve and repeat as necessary. Use a clean, lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to wipe the bottom and top parts of the sensors, the media dancer, anywhere where dust can accumulate. These tips will keep your new printer running at its best. The PD45's unique design allows for simple and cost-efficient maintenance.